No, cancel. Cancel. Good morning. Welcome to Thursday, right? It's Thursday? It is Thursday, and it's very cold outside. It's 26 degrees. I believe this weekend it's going to be into the single digits, so that's just lovely, really lovely. I had a little bit of a slow start this morning. I think I woke up in the middle of a dream and was like so groggy and I like could not get up. Then I looked in the mirror and I had eye bags down to like my chin, which was very lovely. Then I had breakfast by the fire, and then I had a little bit of tea by the fire, and then I took a shower. Two things about that shower. I used the shampoo and conditioner, which was fine so far. I'll see what it looks like, I guess, when it dries. The shampoo, my girlfriend said it smelled like baby powder, and I agree. That is definitely it. It definitely smells powdery. You don't really think powder, like powdery scents when you think of shampoo, but that's kind of what it smells like. It's nice, it's like fresh, and I don't think it lingers too much. And then I used the conditioner, which was like coconut conditioner or whatever, and it was fine. It smelled really good. I think it was a little bit on the thinner side, but I don't know. We'll see if it does its job. I also put in a leave-in conditioner, so, you know, I don't know. Also, my hair has been like falling out the past couple months, so it is so thin. That's like all the hair I have, right? Oh my gosh, that's all the hair I have. I don't know what's going on. It's not really coming out like, I don't have bald spots, but I have thinner hair. The hair is like the size of my palm, like almost nearly every shower, pretty much every single shower. Plus, when I comb it, my hair also comes out. So I'm losing way more hair than I did, I don't know, 6 months ago? Who knows? But I got to use the towel warmer and I love it. I love it so much. I don't know why I didn't have one sooner. It was amazing. So I used it, dried off, and then I put all of my clothes that I put on after the shower. I put all the clothes in the towel warmer while I like dried off and lotioned. And then I put on really toasty warm clothes, and it was just an experience. It was so nice. I just get really sensitive to like temperature changes like that, and it was really nice. We did not finish the to-do list yesterday. I don't think I had dish soap on there, but we need to make dish soap. So that's what we're gonna start now because it takes like all day. So we're gonna do dish soap, and I didn't call anybody. So I need to make my phone calls. One thing about me is that I hate calling people. Like, I hate it so much. So obviously you can see that I put off those type of things. I need to do it. I have to do it. So I'm gonna do that while the dish soap is doing its thing. We're doing it today, okay? We're doing it. I'm saying it here. You're gonna hold me accountable. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get into making dish soap. I would like to mention I am not an expert at making dish soap. I've only done it one time. I've only made soap actually one time, and that was liquid dish soap. That is what I started with. It turned out amazing. It's seriously the best dish soap I have ever used in my entire life. It's amazing. It cleans everything spotless. I never want to buy dish soap ever again. It was so easy to make. I know making soap out of oil sounds so weird and like doesn't make any sense, but it is a thing. I'm using 100% coconut oil in this recipe, which means I'm not using any other oils. I'm just using coconut oil. I will link this recipe below that I'm using. So far, it's amazing, I think. If you're interested in soap making, there is a picture-by-picture tutorial on the website, and this person did an amazing job, I think, explaining everything, or at least I understood everything. Go check that out if you are interested. I think that's good. This is potassium hydroxide. It is flakes. It looks like that. I need to pour this into here. And when I do that, it will kind of bubble up and I think like release some smoke or something. And you need to do it in a well-ventilated area, which I don't have a exhaust fan in my kitchen, which is what I used last time. So I am using my door. Let's pour this into here slowly. Okay, well, it's not really doing anything. But last time it did, it kind of was like smoking and gurgling, so I don't really know why it's not doing that now. I guess I'll just let it set and dissolve and we'll see like what happens. Coconut oil is melted completely. I'm gonna go ahead and pour in the potassium hydroxide. I stirred it with like the back of a plastic spoon. It's so hot right now, and it didn't really smoke or gurgle or anything like that, but it was interesting because I used filtered water that was like ice cold, and now it's so hot I can barely touch it. Let's add it to this slowly. I'm scared. I don't know why, but I'm scared. There we go. Now what? Now I'm going to use my immersion blender. I'm going to blend until it gets thick. I'm gonna have to kind of tip this a little bit. I think I got some on my skin and it's literally burning, so I'm gonna wash that off and put gloves on. It's beginning to smell soapy, like clean, I guess. Oh yeah, it's supposed to look like instant mashed potatoes. Oh god, oh no, oh no, no, cancel, cancel, unplug, unplug. Oh my god, what's going on? I don't know what to do. Oh my god, wait, stop. Okay then, don't really know what happened there, but I'm gonna give this a stir. I hope it didn't like burn, but I think this is the consistency. It looks like instant mashed potatoes. We're gonna put the lid on and cook it for like 2 hours, and I'm gonna check on it every 30 minutes and give it a stir. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's snowing. I did not know it was gonna snow today. It's so beautiful. Wow. It is time to make those dreaded phone calls. I need to know who or what to call. I have sticky notes. Let's see. I'm gonna call the pharmacy first. Okay, it says I can send a text. We're gonna text. It's so weird texting like company numbers. I don't know. Also, I need to set a timer for the soap. How long do we think it's been? 10 minutes? Okay, we'll go check it in 20 minutes. I think I need to do one more phone call, but I have to figure out where. It's to my dentist. I don't know what their address is. I don't even know what the name of the dentist was. I hate sending emails. This is what it currently looks like after about 30-ish minutes. It's definitely thicker. I'm gonna mix it up and then I'm gonna wait another 30 minutes and see what's going on. Okay. Oh, Gizmo. Just got done with the dentist, or calling the dentist. I would say that making phone calls and all that, I would say I'm gonna check that off because I think I did a very good job of doing that. Oh my gosh, I never set a timer for the soap once again. So I will do 20 minutes again. This is what it looks like now after another 30 minutes. It's definitely getting very thick. The timer says we have about 45 minutes left until it should be done for the most part. You might have to cook it longer, you never know. Okay, it has been another 30 minutes. Give this a stir. So it says it needs to look kind of like Vaseline. It needs to be glossy and clear-ish. This isn't quite clear, although we could do a little test to see if it's ready. I might have it go just, I don't know, 30 more minutes. It's not gonna hurt it, I don't think. But we need to make sure that we cook the lye or else it will hurt your skin. And we don't want that. Lunch today is what I made last night, which was mushroom congee. So freaking good. It is an absolute umami bomb. I topped it with mushrooms that I sauteed. I used oyster mushrooms, shiitake, and like seafood mushrooms. It is like the most comforting meal ever. It's like a warm hug from the inside. It's so good. I used brown jasmine rice because that's all I had, and I used 2 cups, dry cups. Produced a lot of congee. I definitely suggest 1 cup. It will make a ton, usually. Anyway, that's the congee I made. So good. Oh my god. It's so perfect for this weather. It's perfect. I'm also eating it with some teriyaki seaweed from Trader Joe's. These are amazing. If you don't like seaweed, I suggest you should try more seaweed because it's so good and it's really good for you as well. Oh my god. Try the Trader Joe's ones. Teriyaki. It will change your mind, I promise. Okay, I'm gonna eat my lunch. Look at this dog. He loves the fireplace so much that I have to watch him and make sure he doesn't melt completely in front of it, which he looks like he's doing now. He just loves it. Hi, are you all melty? Come here. I think you're a bit too close to the fire. It's just a little goopy guy. There you go. Enjoy the residual heat, okay? It pretty much looks nearly the same. So I'm gonna do like a little tester and see if it's ready. I think there's multiple ways to do a test. One of them being like licking it, and if it like shocks or tingles your tongue, that means the lye is not cooked out. I haven't been brave enough to try that. I'm gonna dilute it with water, and if it comes out clear, that means it's ready. If it's a little cloudy, then it's not ready. So let's figure that one out. This is 2 tablespoons of water. I heated it up a little bit. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of this paste, put it in here, and then see what happens. So it's supposed to be clear and not cloudy or milky. And to me, that is looking cloudy and milky, although it's still not like all the way dissolved in there. I don't think it's gonna become clear all of a sudden, you know? So I think we're gonna cook this paste a little bit more, see if we can get it to the clear stage. Morning. Happy Friday. I let this go all night long because it still like wasn't doing what the internet was telling me it was supposed to do. It definitely looks more Vaseline-like today. We are gonna see if it's cloudy still, which that still looks cloudy. I guess I'll do like a zap test and take some of that, not like a chunk. I don't think it's zapped on my tongue. I don't feel anything. Is that when it's ready? Oh, I hope so. This is what it looks like. I think it's supposed to be a little bit more clear, and this has been here like overnight. I think it was like probably 20 hours it's been cooking. For sure, over 20 hours. I'm not sure if I should cook it more or if this is the final result. Something. This is what I used to mix up the soap yesterday, and I put it in the dishwasher. I just threw it in the dishwasher afterwards. Oh my god, there's so many noises. I have my washer going, and then they're being really loud upstairs, so I don't know. If you can hear that, I'm sorry. Anyway, you can tell from the shininess from here to here, that's where like the soap was, and then up here it's not as shiny. Even going through the dishwasher with a detergent, this is what it looks like, but the soap cleansed it so well that it's like, it's beautiful. It looks like it's brand new. I'm telling you, this soap is magic. It truly is so amazing, and I cannot wait to show you on some dishes whenever it's done. I think this is ready, and I am going to add water to dissolve the paste into a liquid. So we have a liquid soap. This is what it looks like. I know you can't really see it. This is just water from my sink, and I boiled it to make sure it got rid of any impurities so the soap doesn't spoil when I store it. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in here. And then I'm going to put it on low for 6 hours and let it just slowly dissolve. Let it do its thing. You don't really want to agitate it or else it will become bubbly and soapy, and you don't really want to do that. You just want it to dissolve slowly. I will see you in 6 hours, and we'll see what is going on here. This is what it looks like after 6 hours of dilution. I think it needs more water. There's a lot of solid chunks in there, and usually if those solid chunks don't dissolve, then you need a little bit more water in there. I could leave this overnight and see if those solids are dissolved by the morning, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit more water right now because it's forming a skin on top, and I definitely think it needs more water. I also think I added more water the last time I did this. As you can see here, this is the skin that is forming. The lid is off, of course, while I wait for the water to boil, but it forms fast even with the lid on, and that is what is making me think I need to add more water. That little bit of agitation caused those bubbles. I'm gonna put the lid on and then just have it on low overnight and see what it looks like in the morning. See you then. Okay, it is the next day. This is what it looks like. I let it sit overnight to dissolve, and then this morning it had a skin on it, so I added a tiny bit more water, and I think it is done, and I'm going to put it into some jars. I ended up getting 5 jars, which I was not expecting. I thought I would only get like 3. I got 1.5 quarts last time. I think it's just probably because of the extra water I had to add, but I'm okay with that. These are good to sit at room temperature, just under your cabinet or whatever, for I think maybe up to a year, I believe. They will start to grow funky things if you don't use them in time. You can use the paste as like a concentrate and keep it in the paste form, and it won't grow anything funky, and you can dilute it as needed, but I chose to dilute everything at once. Okay, I saved this tea mug. It has stains in there, and I am going to use it as an example of this soap's cleansing power. Okay, I hope you can see that, but the foam is like a good beige color. I'm just getting in the corner with my finger. Such a pain. Oh my gosh. There we go. Ew. Wow. It almost looks brand new. Amazing. Here is an example of the amount of bubbles it makes. Definitely foams up really well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.